you having a hard time verifying your Gcash account? Selfie scan not working, ID rejected, or it takes forever to approve? You're not alone, and I totally get your frustration. Verification is crucial for using Gcash effectively. Without it, you miss out on full access, higher wallet limits, and the ability to make bank transfers. So, let's tackle those pesky verification delays together. First, let's talk about some common reasons why verification might fail. One of the biggest culprits is blurry or dark ID photos. If your ID isn't clear, the system can't read it properly. Another issue could be using an expired or invalid ID. Make sure your ID is not only valid, but also one that Gcash accepts, like a Philippine government-issued ID. Poor internet connection during the upload process can also cause delays. If your connection is shaky, it might not upload your documents correctly. And finally, if your selfie scan doesn't match your ID, that can lead to rejection too. Now, let's go through some step-by-step fixes to help you get verified smoothly. First, always use a valid and unexpired ID that's accepted by Gcash. This could be your passport, driver's license, or any government-issued ID. Next, when you take your ID photo, make sure you're in a bright place with a clear background. Natural light works best, and avoid shadows that can obscure your ID. For the selfie scan, hold your phone steady and ensure your face is well within the frame. Look straight at the camera and avoid tilting your head. This helps the system match your selfie to your ID accurately. Before you upload, check your internet connection. A strong and stable connection is key to a successful upload. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the cache of your Gcash app or even reinstalling it. Sometimes, a fresh start can work wonders. And here's a quick reminder. Never share your MPIN or OTP with anyone, even if they claim to be from Gcash. Your security is paramount. Once you get through the verification process, you'll unlock all the amazing features of Gcash, like higher wallet limits, bank transfers, and so much more. So don't give up. It's worth it, and you'll be enjoying all the benefits in no time.